All right, good Sunday morning here. Down in the basement, just waiting for the coffee to get done. Just chilling for a minute. Once the coffee's finished, I'll fill the mug up, head out to the club. Got to change the trashes on the course. Man, I was out there yesterday and there was a ton of booze in the course cans, which is good. It means it's been busy and a lot of people have been playing and obviously drinking and having a good time while they're doing it. So something I noticed while I was out there yesterday that I need to get out there and change those garbages and probably just take my backpack blower out there with me while I go around and just blow the tees off and keep an eye on all that. So probably spend about an hour or two out there this morning and come home. Wife wants to work on a landscaping project, but that's on her. Pulling in, 7 a.m.
Big crap, big.
Alright, special update. Pretty windy up here, as you can see. Got a few golfers out on the course already. I don't know what time it is. This thing here. Dog leg left. Sand up there blocking the green. Par 4, obviously. Hole 6. Hole 4. Hole 9 right behind us here. So, yep, just about finished with trash cans. Have taken me a little bit longer because I went through and blew all the tee pads off. We had a lot of golfing going on. Check this out. Let you guys know if they had fun or not. Here's my last can to do. And I think that's some good packs. So we're out here blowing, filling divots, changing trash. Good Sunday morning. All right, just got done striping up the practice course. Garbages are changed. I think that's going to be it for Sunday's chores out here. Blow this thing off, clean it up. Gonna head back to the house, get some breakfast. Really don't want to help that landscaping at the house, but I'll probably end up doing that. I gotta get mulch for tomorrow. I've got a couple quotes I still need to do. I've been talking about, but I haven't done them yet, so I gotta get to work. Looks pretty good though. Not too bad for an amateur anyway. So, all right, well, cleaning this thing up, and I'm out of here. All right, here's what Katie's got going on. So this bed right here was like the first bed we ever did when we moved in here. I think we moved in here in 2017, probably in 2018 or something. We put this bed in. Got that sick wolf from one of our customers. Didn't want it. Said that's going home. That actually used to be all filled in with grass there, and there was a flower bed right up against the house. Standing about 3.5, 4 foot tall. So we knocked that little flower bed out, tilled that all up, and put a little pond in over here. Pretty sweet. So what Katie's working on this weekend is extending this. What's up, Cam? A little early for him, I think. I'm gonna take it all the way down there and finish it out, and then all 4 sides of the house will be finished. Current update: sitting on the couch, attempting to watch the Masters. Can't find the remote, so now I'm just sitting here, wishing I was watching the Masters. Oh well. I think I'm gonna go play some golf. All right, as you can see, we're no longer on the couch, but where are we? Our next stop. Here comes Brett. Oh, we're at the skate park. Coming out of retirement. See how this goes. We got Cameron up here. Ripping on the scooter. Scooter kid doing scooter things. Brett and Holden rolling up. And here comes Damien. Let's go. Well, we'll see who tears a ligament or breaks something or whatever first. Yo, I got that.
That was nice.
Is that tray flip?
I did a varial.
Oh, varial. Well, it looked like tray from the camera angle, so.
Yeah, that one dude, random ass dude.
Ready?
Dude,
Gave me this board.
tray flip, he says? Get it. Damn near had it, dude. I bet you guys didn't know Eastern Iowa Lawn Care was actually Eastern Iowa Skateboards. Give me that tray. Give me that tray. I know you got it. Oh, dude, he's on it. That's pretty good for fucking coming out of winter, coming off retirement, tweaking your ankle in the fall. Further back. Uh-oh, guys. We got a bad update.
Doesn't always work out for everybody when you go to the skate park.
Guys, what happened to Brett?
He broke his hammer.
He broke his arm.
His head? I heard head.
Arm.
His wrist.
Broke his wrist? Yeah, it looked pretty gnarly.
Brett definitely broke his wrist. So we are dropping at the Regional Health Center. Everybody say a prayer for Brett.
Prayers for Brett.
He was attempting to caveman off a 3-foot ramp and pretty much landed right on his wrist. So rest in peace. Washing the master. Will McElroy shit down his leg one more time? Probably. Seems like DeChambeau seems to have the clutch gene. Seems to win. McElroy seems to choke. That'd be my guess. Oh boy. Maybe I spoke too soon. Oh, Mackie. Yeah, right. Ooh. See, I had to go and say it. What do you got to say for yourself? Well, I guess I definitely spoke too soon. Rest in peace to Shambo. That's, yeah, he knows it.
3 in front now, heading to the 5th. 2 excellent hits.
All right, guys, real quick video here. I'm going to show you how we save a ton of time in the field when our string trimmers run out of string. And that's simply by having pre-cuts. So what I mean by that, simply instead of in the field, unwinding 9, 10, 11, 12, cut, you know, whatever. Some night, this is mostly for you business owners or solo operators, things like that. Whoever's in charge, who's got the free time. This is something that you would do on your free time. You sit in the garage, have yourself ice cold Pepsi or whatever you like, and cut out about, shit, I cut this whole spool. I cut the whole entire spool. I like, because I found the length that works good for us. It's about 10, 11 spins on there. I cut them all at about 12. I cut 12, 12, 12, and they're all the exact same length. Then we come out in the field, boom, we're out of string. Always keep your steel tool. You go down. Already got it pre-cut. Put her in, spin it. Always start with the top one. I'll tell you why. Because it's out of your way. Now when you spin the bottom one, the top one's out of your way. Ideally, don't throw that across your yard when you're doing it. Put your bottom one in. Spin, spin, spin. Don't get fancy with the spin. I used to do that too much. Just spin the dang thing. Unhook the top. Flip it to this side, flip it to that. They're both pretty close. Always take your one with the prongs, line those up underneath the silver caps in here. Hold your cap down while you lock it in. Bang, bang. Choo-choo train. Put that on, give her the pull, it locks in place, you know you're done. I mean, that whole entire change, probably 45 seconds, and that's with me talking you through it. Pre-cuts have saved us a ton of time. So business owners, go home, cut about 50, 60, 70, 80, 100 of these things. I mean, you can use them all season long. I mean, we highly recommend this Steel CF 3 Pro. So you know what the hell it's called? I'm not a big names guy, but this black and orange right here, top of the line trimmer. I mean, we used to use, you know, whatever, didn't matter. One day I decided to buy a spool of this. I don't remember why, but changed the game. I mean, you could take weeds out that are thick, and it just cuts like butter. It's the best string trim that we could find around here in Eastern Iowa, so we always rock the CF3 Pro. Right when we get a new trimmer head, we instantly pull that old orange crap out and replace it with this stuff here. So highly recommend that for the string trim. Highly recommend pre-cuts. Be ready. We keep all those pre-cuts in the side door in our truck. Shit, sometimes when I'm mowing, and I know I've been trimming a lot, I'll take a couple pre-cuts, throw them in my back pocket. That way if I run out, I'm down in the field, I don't even walk back to the truck. Boom, pop the head off right there. I always keep a little pocket knife or something on me. That's a little tool. So open that head right up there in the field and replace it, and you just save yourself. I'm not shitting you. I've seen some guys, string trimmer goes out and we're talking a 20-minute breakdown all of a sudden. You know, we got to go back to the truck. We got to figure it out. We got to unspool everything. We're tangled or having problems. That's an experience for one, but for two, you can save yourself all that headache by just having pre-cuts, being prepared, know that, hey, I'm going to run out of string. All right, now let's do a time test, see how quick it takes. You saw there, the clock was at 5 when I started. The video was 45 seconds long, so it took us 40 seconds to open it, change the spool, put it back together, and be back to work. So carry those pre-cuts on you. All right, I think that's gonna be it for me. After saying I wasn't gonna help landscape, just carried 32 bags of rock from the driveway over to the west side of the house. Overall, it's not that much compared to what the project was, so it's not like I did much, but yep, that's enough for me here on Sunday. So I think I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna take a shower, and hopefully there's still some holes left here, and we got a tight race at the end of the Masters, and I can make a couple more clips making fun of one or the other. If not, then I'm just gonna edit this video and call it a night. So this could be the last clip, unless we got some good golf content. All right, I guess it's not the last video because what the fuck happened? Where did the Shamboner go?
We saw it bounce, but have to see if Oberg has a window.
What the heck? My prediction was way off. DeChambeau choked. McElroy appears to have run away. I mean, I've seen similar situations. I wouldn't be surprised if this guy right here somehow posted like a 10 or 11 under somehow. And then Rory will drop her down and you'll have Scheffler and Rory going at it. All right, guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Started off with a little bit of work on the golf course, came home, put a little work in around the house, tried to be lazy, ended up going to the skate park, which was unfortunate. Ended up having to take Brett to the emergency room. We got an update on that. He did break 2 bones in his wrist. I don't exactly know which ones, but 2 bones broken. Going to a specialist tomorrow to get cast and everything put on. So prayer for Brett. It's unfortunate, kind of sad, but So came home from the emergency room and caught up on a little bit of masters, went back out. Got loaded up and prepped for tomorrow, got the mower filled up, got all the 2-cycle items filled up, filmed a couple short little videos around TikToks and things like that. And then yeah, pretty much just getting ready for tomorrow. We start our mowing list tomorrow, and it's going to start getting busy. So thanks for tuning in. That was Sunday. It's been that's been a fun weekend. It's time to get back to work.